Hi, my name is Brandy Simons, and the company that I am co-owner of is 2007 Candle Co. And today we are making Freshies. Now, normally Freshies don't take too long to get cured in order to bake them. But today we're going to be talking about leather, because leather can be difficult. It is a very, very dense fragrance. So it takes a long time to be able for those little tiny beads to soak in that fragrance. Now, these are my leather that have been sitting since the day before Thanksgiving, and we're now almost here to Christmas. So that has been almost a month, and they're still pretty wet, as you can see. So what I want to go over with you guys today is some new information that I found out in regards to leather and making the Freshies appropriately. So normally with Freshies, you do 8 ounces of beads, and for every 8 ounces of beads, you're going to use 1 ounce of fragrance oil. Some people push it to 2 ounces of fragrance oil. I do not. I use 1 ounce of fragrance oil for every 8 ounce of beads. However, with leather, what we need to do moving forward is we need to use, for every 8 ounce of beads, only 1/4 of an ounce. So that's 0.25 ounces of fragrance oil. And this is because of how dense this oil is. The smell is still going to be the same. That has nothing to do with the scent that comes off the Freshies. So moving forward, that's what we're going to do. But you can see how wet these still really are. You see how it sticks to the sides? That means it's still too wet to bake, which is why we're going to do things a little bit differently for this. But ultimately, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video and let anyone else know who's doing the leather Freshies. We have some car dealerships that we work with where they order a lot of these leather Freshies, and they've been taking way too long. And so with this new information that I've just found out, I wanted to make sure to share the wealth. And I hope it helps everybody moving forward with making these Freshies. And I'll be back in just a moment and show you how I put these into our cans that we use for these car dealerships. Okay, so what we're doing at this point is we're filling our tins. These are a 2 ounce tin, and I fill these to the max because as it bakes down to right about where this line meets that you can see in here. There's a little line, and it bakes down to about that line. And we want to try to get as much 2 ounce in this as possible. So we fill them all the way to the top, and then I try to compact it as much as I can to make it completely filled. And once we have all of these filled, we're going to go ahead and bake them in the oven for about 15-16 minutes. And then we just have our little tin tops, which I will show you. These little tin tops have a plastic piece on them. Now, I'm going to pop it out so you can see. So if you don't want your scent, you just pop it in and it blocks out the scent. But if you want your scent, you just pop it out. You put this on the container, the tin, and then you have access to your scent. And I'll show you what they look like when they're completely baked. So I'll be back in about 15 minutes and I'll show you what the end result is. So we have a fully baked leather tin, and this is what it looks like. I've gone ahead and I've added our Christmas decoration on there. We've got a little snowman. He was a sticker, and during the last 2 minutes, I went ahead and added him on there. And you can see it goes all the way to the line, like I said, and it always bakes down. So keep that in mind. So you want to overfill on these tins. And then it's got all our leather information on here. And this is what it is perfectly. And it smells great. Again, if you want the smell, just pop out your little plastic piece. It goes over it, and there you go for underneath your car or on in your cup holder, wherever you want it. And it won't damage anything because it's in a perfect tin. So if you want another option, instead of hanging it from your rear view mirror, in some states that's illegal. In Texas state, it's illegal. So this is another option that you have for your clients to be able to give them that smell in their car without having something hanging from the rearview mirror. Any questions, please post below and let me know, and I'll answer as they come in. Thanks. Bye, everybody.